So before start the actual project explanation, I request you please subscribe my channel. So you can see on the screen up till now I have uploaded more than 66 video on Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi with IoT, that is all this video. Then also IoT with Arduino, all this video are 26. And recently we started the new series on the PIC microcontroller. Before that I also cover the project on the Python web application. So if you want to learn Python, IoT, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, PIC from the scratch and from freely, then please subscribe my channel, please support me. And the most important part is whatever the code I have explained, whatever the project I have created on this YouTube channel, all these projects are freely available. You no need to pay anything for this project. So just if only point is you should watch complete video and you should follow my process. So if you want to learn something from the scratch and freely, then support me and please subscribe my channel and please click on like button. Hello friend, in today's session we will learn how we can design and develop a finger name detection system project by using Raspberry Pi and camera. So you can see on the screen we have the Raspberry Pi, we have the camera. So by using that Raspberry Pi and camera, we will detect the user finger. So once the user show his finger to the camera, then Raspberry Pi will detect the finger and show the finger name on the display. Okay. So this is the basic application, but by using this application in future we will design many projects like control robotics by using finger movement, control home appliance by using finger, and many more projects. So today is very basic project, but this is the once you complete this basic project, then definitely you will complete the advanced project. So in this video we will learn how we can design this finger detection system project by using the Raspberry Pi. I will show you how to flash the Raspberry Pi OS into memory card. I will show you how to install the opencv algorithm that require for this project and many basic things. And at the end of this video I will also give you idea about the programming part of this project. So I request you please watch this complete video so that you can design and develop this project by yourself. No need to pay any single rupees for this project. This project is completely free, and the program of this project already given. You can download that program from the description of this video. There will be the web page link. So from the web page link you can download the program. So how to run the program, how to install that libraries, that I will explain in today's video. So please watch this complete video. So before start the next part, let's see the practical demonstration of this video so that you will get idea about what we will learn at the end of this video. Now let's see the practical demonstration of this project. So you can see on the screen it is asking me show finger. Now once I show the index finger, so wait for some second, it will scan my finger. So once I show the index finger, you can see it is showing the index finger name on the screen. Then once I show my middle finger, then again wait for some second. So you can see middle finger name also showing on the screen. It's showing the middle finger name on the screen. Then once I show my ring finger, so it is showing the ring finger name on the screen. Then once I show my pinky finger, so you can see it will show the pinky finger name on the screen. So once I show my thumb finger, so you can see it is showing the thumb finger name on the screen. So this is for the right hand. So once I show my left hand, also it is showing the finger name from the left hand also. So now you can see I am showing the left hand. So wait for some second. So it is showing the left hand. Now I will show the thumb from the left hand. So you can see thumb finger, it is showing the thumb finger. So you can see it is showing the thumb finger. Now once I show the index finger from the left hand, so it is index finger from the left hand. Now middle finger from the left hand. Now it is middle finger from the left hand. Then ring finger from the left hand. So ring finger from the left hand. Now pinky finger from the left hand. So pinky finger from the left hand. So for the both hand it is detecting the finger correctly. I hope you understand the practical demonstration of this project. Now we will see the how to install the Raspberry Pi OS from very scratch. Then we will see how to install the Raspberry Pi opencv library, then mediapipe library, then hand tracking library, all the library how to install. Then we will see the programming part of this project, and then we will see how to run this project. So please watch this complete video. Okay, now let's start from very basic. First we install the OS into Raspberry Pi. So you can see on the screen I have the Raspberry Pi 3B plus. You can use any Raspberry Pi, 4 also, 0 also, there is no issue. I use Raspberry Pi 3B plus. If you want to use same Raspberry Pi, then you can order this Raspberry Pi from the Amazon. Then I have used USB camera, large USB camera. If you want to use Raspberry Pi camera also, there is no issue, you can use Raspberry Pi camera, but I have the USB camera, so that's why I use this one. If you have the USB camera at your home, no need to purchase a Raspberry Pi camera, you can use any USB camera. Okay, then 32 GB memory card needed for this project. So this one you can see Samsung, this one also you can purchase from the Amazon, Samsung 32 GB, sorry, SanDisk 32 GB. Then you need one card reader, so that we need to plug this memory card into this card reader, and this card reader need to plug into laptop to install the OS. Okay, some this basic hardware we require. Then to display the screen of this Raspberry Pi, I use the HDMI cable, so I don't use the laptop. If you want to use laptop, you can enable SSH and you can use the laptop also, but generally I use the HDMI display. So this HDMI display is easily available at home. You can use your TV display also, or your laptop PC display also, which having the HDMI port. So you can see this is the HDMI port that need to be connected simply here to give the display view, like to give the Raspberry Pi screen, to display the Raspberry Pi screen on the monitor. Then second one, you need Raspberry Pi power supply. So that also very simple, you can use any mobile charger which having the 5 volt 2 ampere rating. So this is the mobile charger which having the 5 volt 2 ampere rating that I am using. So simply plug this charger, mobile charger, to here. So these are the basic setting that you have to do. Okay, so these are the setting. Then once we flash our Raspberry Pi OS into this memory card, what you have to do, you have to, once we flash that, then you have to place this memory card at the back end of Raspberry Pi. You can see here, you have to place like this. Okay, so these are some basic setting or basic hardware that you need to purchase for this project. Okay, now let's see how to flash the Raspberry Pi image into your memory card. So first very important point is you should have the 32 GB memory card like this. You can see this is my 32 GB SanDisk memory card, and you should have the card reader like this. So please place into memory card into your card reader. Okay, once you place into memory card into card reader, just plug that card reader to your laptop. Okay, once you plug your card reader to laptop, very important point is you should format that memory card first. Whether it is new memory card, whether it is old memory card, you should format that memory card first. So how to format that memory card, it is very important. You should require one software. I will show you the software name. Like this software, you need SD formatter software. Please download this software from the Google. You will easily find on Google this software. Please download from the Google. Okay, so once you open the software, you can again plug out your memory card, that like card reader from laptop. You can see once you plug out, the drive is showing blank here. Once you plug in your memory card, once you plug in your card reader to laptop again, it will automatically detect your drive. You can see H5 512 MB. So it is wrong, it is showing the wrong size, because it is my already there is OS pre-installed in my memory card. That's why it is showing 512 MB so I have to format that one so that it will show the correct size. So I will click on format. So you can see now it is showing 30 GB memory card. So my 30 GB memory card, it is now showing correctly 30 GB memory card. So in this way you have to format your memory card first so that it will show the correct size here. Okay, so this is the first step that you have to do. Then check in your my computer, there should be one drive. You can see 30 GB or approximate 30 GB memory card drive should be there. So this is the correct way to format your memory card. Okay, once you format your memory card, you need another software. That software name is Raspberry Pi image flasher. So how to find out this software? You have to go to Google, go to Raspberry Pi official website, raspberrypi.com.software. So this is the website, and from here you can download the software for Windows, Mac OS or Ubuntu. Okay, so you will get software downloaded file like this. If you don't get this file, please contact me on WhatsApp. I will share this file with you if you need it, but you can easily download from this website also. Okay, so once you download, you can click on this file. This is the application file, that is the software file. You have to install this software. Once you install this software, go to your start bar, and here you can search, on your start bar you can search Raspberry Pi flasher. You can see Raspberry Pi imager. So this one you have to search, and once you search, you will open, you can open this one. So once you open, choose your devices, that is memory card we have to choose here. So devices, not sorry, choose your devices means which Raspberry Pi you are using, that you have to choose. Okay, so I am using Raspberry Pi 3, so I will use Raspberry Pi 3 here. Okay, if you use Raspberry Pi 4, you can use Raspberry Pi 4 also. Then choose OS, then you can select your OS. So it is a recommended OS 64-bit. I am selecting this one. You can also select same. Then select the storage. From here you can see 30 GB memory card, approximate 30 GB memory card you have to select, that is USB. Okay, select that one and just click on next. Now once this screen is open, here it is asking customize setting you need to apply or not. Just click on no here. Okay, once you click on no, then next it is asking whether you want to erase your data which is available into your memory card or not. So if you want to erase that data, just click on yes, and it will override the OS into your memory card. So click on yes here and wait for some second. It will flash the OS into memory card. It will take at least 20 minutes. Okay, now you can see once the Raspberry Pi OS get installed in your memory card, it is showing this message, Raspberry Pi OS 64-bit has been written to your USB storage. Okay, now you can click on continue button. Okay, now after that you can plug out your memory card from your laptop. Then you can take your Raspberry Pi, and at the back end of the Raspberry Pi you can see there is a SD card reader. SD card slot is there. You have to plug in your memory card into that slot. Okay, now we will connect our HDMI cable and power supply here. So you can see I have the monitor. This is a screen which having that HDMI cable. Okay, that is connected here. Okay, so you can use any TV which is available at your home which having HDMI facility. So just connect this HDMI cable here. Memory card already plug in at the back end of Raspberry Pi. Now after that you can give the power. So for the power you can use mobile adapter, 5V 2 ampere adapter. Okay, you can use any mobile adapter which having 5V 2 ampere rating. So just connect here. Then after that you can connect your keyboard and mouse. So this is my keyboard. So keyboard USB you can connect here. Okay, and then mouse you can connect. So I am using the wireless mouse. So mouse also you can connect here. So this is very basic. Now you can see monitor is started. It is booting up. So you can see, welcome to Raspberry Pi desktop version. So wait for some second, it will show the desktop again. Okay, now we have to do some setting. So click on next button. Okay, so you can select the English language and US keyboard. That setting you have to do. Then click on next button. So it is okay now. So you can give Raspberry Pi. And password, you can remember your password because this will definitely require later. Okay, so once you give username, once you give password, then click on next button. Then no need to do anything here, just click on next button. You can skip this setting if you don't require the Wi-Fi setting now. Later we can do this setting. So click on next. Then you can use this browser, Chrome browser. Click on next as your default browser. Then no need to connect this. Click on next. Then click on next button here. So network is not there, so it is okay. So you can click on restart the Raspberry Pi. So these are some basic settings that you have to do before start the Raspberry Pi. Later, very important, you should connect your Raspberry Pi with your network. That we can do once Raspberry Pi again restarted. Okay, once the Raspberry Pi gets started, so very important point is you should first connect with your network. So this is my network that I connected. So at the top, at the right side corner, you will find the network symbol. From there you can connect with your network. Then you can download this folder from my web page link. The web page link given in the description of this video. So from there you can download this folder. So once you download, it may be in the zip file. So you have to unzip that one. Once you unzip that one, you will get this folder. Then after that, we need to install some command. We need to run some command on the Raspberry Pi. So which are those commands? You can open this folder first. You will find one command folder. So right click here and click on text editor. Okay, so those are the commands we have to run one by one. So click on this black window, which is terminal window of Raspberry Pi. So first command, you can copy that first command from here. Copy that first command and paste into Raspberry Pi window. Make sure you should connect it with your internet. Okay, then enter. So wait for some second, it will update your Raspberry Pi. Okay, once the first command done, now you can execute the second command. So second command is this one, upgrade. So one by one you have to copy and paste that command. Then Y, enter. Okay, once the second command get installed, now you can see this is the third command, but what is important of this command I will show you. So let's execute fourth command first. So many of you are facing the issue to install the opencv library into Raspberry Pi. So once I paste that command, let's say opencv, and press enter. So many of you are getting this error like externally managed environment. So like this. So to avoid this error, you have to execute third command first before install the opencv. So copy the third command first and paste again. So and press enter. Okay, after the third command you can again install the opencv by using this fourth command. Now you can see in front of you I have installed the opencv python successfully with numpy. All the things are get installed with this opencv python. So whatever the error you are facing earlier, external marriage, that you can easily solve by using this third command, and then you can install opencv with this command. Okay, so I hope you get idea how to install opencv in Raspberry Pi with the fresh OS. Okay, now next is we have to install the cv, this mediapipe library first. So copy this mediapipe. So this should be our fifth command. So this is sixth command actually, and this one is fifth command. So first we have to install the mediapipe library. So copy this and again run, enter. So almost after the 15 minutes the mediapipe library gets successfully installed in my Raspberry Pi. So it generally takes time. Now next library is cv zone library. So copy this command, pipe install cv zone, and paste here and then press enter. So this will be the last library. So this library will get installed after 1 to 2 minutes. So wait for some minute. So these are some important and essential library that need to be installed before start our project. Okay, so once that library get installed, now all our library get installed. Now next point is we have to run the project. So this is our main project, finger.py. So right click on this project and click on with open with Thony browser. Once it open with Thony browser, you can click on run button. So wait for some second. It is showing this may take time to building matplotlib library. So now it is showing some error like SRS empty. This also one error you are facing every time for my project. So this is because your camera is not connected with your Raspberry Pi. So connect the camera. This is my USB camera and this is the USB. Okay, so this I will connect with my Raspberry Pi and then again run the project. Okay, now I have connected my camera. Then again I click on this run button. Okay, now it is showing, asking the show finger, but you can see once I show my finger now, then this program will stop working. So there is one error that I need to tell you. So how to solve that error, that I also tell you. So yeah, so you can see I got this error now. It is giving error, list indices must be integer or slightly not string. So how to solve this error, that I will show you. So this is because of the package which we use for this project. This is because of cvzone package. So inside our project folder I have given the one extra file is there, 3 files, one finger file, one command file, and one is hand tracking model.py file. So what you have to do, you have to copy this file and where you have to paste in the command file I have given the path. Okay, so this is the path. So at your case, if you give the username different, then this path will be different. Home, then your username and other things are as it is. Okay, so my username is Raspberry Pi as it is. So I copy this path and paste here. Paste here. Enter. And here you can see there is this file, hand tracking model.py file. So whatever the file we copied from here, from my project, copy from here because I solved that error, and paste here into side package. Click on overwrite. Okay, so again let's run the project. Now this time our project should work. So again click on run button. This warning you can ignore. Now it is showing show the finger. Now again I show my finger. Let's say index finger first. Yeah, it is working now. You can see index finger, then middle finger. Yeah, the project is perfectly working. I hope you understand how to install the different types of OS into Raspberry Pi, how to solve the error. Now the next part is the program explanation. So in the next chapter we will see how importance of each and every line from the code. Okay, let's understand the programming part. So first important point is you should download this folder from my website link. The website link given in the description of this video. So once you download, there may be the zip file. You have to unzip that one, and once you unzip that one, you will get this folder. So inside this folder you will find two files, command files, which is important to execute some command, to install some library. To install that library you need to execute some command. So that command given in this command file. And finger.py file, it is basically our main project file. So you can right click on this file. So once you right click on this file, open in Thony browser. So you can see Python Thony browser. So open that one. Okay, once you open, you will see our program is open here. Now we will see importance of each and every line from the code. So first line is import CV2. So basically we need image processing library, that is CV2 library, to capture the live image from the camera. So to capture that image, to capture that video, we use this library. And to track our hand movement, like finger, which finger is open and which finger is closed, to track that movement, we use CVZone hand tracking module library. So I have imported these two library here. Okay, so once we import these two library are basically used for image processing and hand tracking. Second is you can see when there is a camera open, when we run the code, then it is showing on that module that is on screen, like show finger, then finger name. So that is the text. So the property of that text are here: font size, which type of font is of the text, then origin where that text need to be shown, then font scale, then color of that text, then thickness of that text, it is defined here. Then if you want to use the function from the hand detector module, then we have to create the object for that module. So here we are defining that object of that module. Then here you can see CV2 video capture 0. So basically I am using the USB camera, that's why I have given here 0 as input. If you are using the Raspberry Pi camera, then here you can change to the 1 or try with -1, -2, 0 or 1. 0 is basically for USB camera, but for the Raspberry Pi camera you can try with -2 or -1, -2, 1 or 2. Okay, so that you need to check if you are using the Raspberry Pi camera. Then our main program start here. Then our first, it will read the video from our camera by this line. Okay, whatever the video that we are capturing, that need to be flipped. So to flip that video we are using this line. Then next line is detect hand, find hand. So basically it will detect whether our hand is detected in our frame or not. So to detect whether there is a hand or not in that frame, we will use this line. Then once a hand detected, then this if loop gets one like some value, and once hand detected, then it will give in some list. So in that list it will show like it is information about which is hand, which one is finger, like those are information was there. Okay, so it is checking here detect finger up. So which finger is getting up, that detected by this detect finger up, and we are passing the LM list. So whatever the hand we detected, that hand list we are passing here in this function. So here you can see there are 5 value, and each value denoted for each finger. So first is for the thumb, then index, then middle finger, then ring finger, and then pinky finger. So let's say if that detect dot finger up gives the value 0 1 0 0, so that means it is the index finger. So that's why in the text I am sending index finger. Then if the value is 0 0 1 0 0, that means thumb, then index, then middle. So middle finger gets one value. That's why here in text we are giving middle finger. So likewise each finger having one value, and we are checking whether which value is getting 1, and according to that we are changing the value for the text. Okay, so you can see it is for the index, then middle, then ring, then pinky finger, and then thumb finger. So then after that we have to print that text, whatever the text that we have to print on our frame. So that's why we are using this one, cv2.put text, then image, whatever the image that we are capturing here, that image, that is nothing but our video, then the text, and the property of the text is given here. Then it next line is we have to show that video. That's why here cv2.imShow, that video is getting show here. Then for wait for some second, then a program is completed, then we have to release our video and destroy the cv2 function. That's why here 2 line. So this is very simple and easy code. I hope you understand the code. If you don't understand, please watch it again. You will definitely understand. It is very simple code. Okay, once you have this code, then how to run this code? Just click on this run button. Before that you have to install all the library that I already told you. So once you click on this run button, then it will start running. So wait for some second. So some warnings are there, so ignore that warning. So wait for some second, because it will load the library. It will take time. So you can see it is showing show finger, and our video our program is started. So I hope you understand the programming part of this project, how to run the code, what are the importance of each and every line from the code. If you like my video, please click on like button. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel. Please support me. Thanks for watching this video.